How to fix graphics device driver error code 22. 1. Restart your laptop or PC. 2. Re-enable the graphics device driver manually. 3. Reset the BIOS settings. 4. Update the graphics device driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Clean boot your Windows. Note, you may need to remove or reconfigure any newly installed or affected program. 6. Replace the affected graphic card.